Hey there, homeowners. Tired of your drab kitchen? Let's dive into some phenomenal color schemes that can transform your space from blah to wow. First up, the timeless classic. White. White kitchens are all about cleanliness and simplicity. They make your space look bigger and brighter, perfect for smaller kitchens. Pair it with stainless steel appliances and you're golden. If you crave a bit more warmth, why not try some earthy tones? Think soft browns, beiges, and muted greens. These colors create a cozy and inviting space, ideal for those family gatherings. Add some wooden accents for that rustic charm. Feeling adventurous? Bold and vibrant hues are your best friends. Imagine a deep navy blue or a rich emerald green. These colors make a statement and add depth to your kitchen. Just balance it out with neutral countertops and backsplashes so it doesn't overwhelm. Now, for a modern twist, consider a two-tone scheme. Upper cabinets in a light color and lower ones in a darker shade. It's both trendy and functional, giving your kitchen a dynamic look. But how do you choose the right colors? Think about your kitchen style. For a contemporary look, go sleek with monochromatic schemes. For a farmhouse vibe, mix and match rustic and pastel tones. And always consider the lighting. Natural light can make colors pop, while artificial light might dull them down. So next time you look at your kitchen and think, meh, remember, colors can change everything. Get creative, have fun, and make your kitchen the heart of your home. For expert advice, consult Barde Infra for your interior design needs. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more interior design tips. Catch you later.